What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna show you how to get whitelist spot for NFT project. And if you don't know what's a whitelist spot is, I'm gonna explain you in a minute. So whitelist spot for NFT project is when you have a spot during whitelist mint and you're almost guaranteed to mint one of their NFT. And you might want to ask me, why would I want to do that? Let's say, for example, this project right here, Imaginary Ones. This was very hype project and it's still hype project before it went on sale. And everybody who was able to get whitelist spot, they was able to mint one Imaginary One NFT for 20% of Ethereum. And even right now, we're in a bear market. This project is still holding price above whitelist price. And for example, right now the floor price is 0.36 Ethereum, but whitelist spot was going for 20% of Ethereum. So that's why on one of the most hype projects, it's very important to get whitelist spot. But here's a problem. It's not easy to get whitelist spot because the collection size could be only 8 or 9,000 or maybe even less, and everybody's trying to get on their whitelist spot. It's either you really like the project and you want to be part of the project for a long term, or you just want to flip that NFT and make some money. So that's why to get a whitelist spot can be very beneficial. So there are multiple ways you can do that. First way is, for example, if you're gonna purchase one of the NFT Alpha Group passes, and usually Alpha Group partners or collab with certain project and they get so many whitelist spots for their group, and you can enter a raffle or which way this group is distributing those whitelist spots, and you have a better chance to win one of those whitelist spots when you're in a group. But to be part of the group, you have to have their pass. And I'm going to show you a few passes, and I'm not recommending you to buy one, but this is just an example of how to get into one of those alpha groups. So for example, there is one called Plug Pass. At the time of recording this video, it's cost 0.38% of Ethereum, and the price is lower right now than usual because like a month ago this pass was going for around Ethereum. And then the next one is Chimp Only Pass. At the time of recording this video, the floor price is 1 Ethereum and 18%, and total of the passes is 1327. Also keep in mind, when you are deciding to purchase a pass or get into one of the groups, always look at the count, because if, for example, group is only gonna get 100 whitelist spots, then if everybody's gonna try to get into that whitelist spot raffle, or I'm not sure exactly which way Champ's distributing those whitelist spots, then your chance of getting one of those whitelist spots is lower, but it's still a lot higher than the other ways I'm gonna show you later on in this video. And also, besides whitelist spots in those alpha groups, you're also gonna get alpha calls, early mints, and other benefits. So when you're gonna get into one of the groups, this is not just gonna be for whitelist spots only. You're gonna get many other benefits as well. And then the second way to get whitelist spot, this is for example Illogix. So here's what Illogix doing. They are selling their NFTs and they have entire ecosystem. So if we're gonna go here in their ecosystem, you can stake your NFT and get Goop token, and then there's Goop utility, there is reroll, merchandise, weekly raffle, and allow shop. So here's how it's gonna work. If you purchase one of their NFT, then part of their ecosystem, you can stake it, and when you're gonna be staking, you're gonna earn 10 Goops per day. After you're gonna earn so many, you can go to the Goop utility, and then if we press on it, you can see right here, Illogix Goop ecosystem provide an exchange for allowed list, raffle tickets, potions, merch, rerolls, and much more. And then if we press on allowed list shop, you can see right here, the Illogix allowed list shop is place where holders spend their Goop in exchange for allowed list spots of upcoming mints. So I'm assuming they have actual whitelist marketplace where you can go, and if they have so many available whitelist spots, you can use your Goop tokens in exchange for that whitelist spot. And then if we go here, as you can see right here, again, here's how you can spend your Goop token, exchange for whitelist spots, raffle tickets, potion, merchandise, rerolls, and much more. This is just one of the examples how other ways you can actually get yourself a whitelist spot besides Alpha Group. And then there is another group right here. It's called Squishy Squad NFT. They have similar concept, they have their own ecosystem, and this is recently they posted on their Twitter Squishy Squad shop, and as you can see right here, the shop will be coming soon, and this is what it's gonna look like. And looks like they're gonna have Possessed Whitelist Spot, Grindcraft, BF Party, and Deadness. And to purchase one of them, you'll have to spend 100 Squish tokens. And as you can see right here, looks like this is just an example if they'll have 10 whitelist spots. And if you would have enough tokens, you can go in and buy it. And then there's another way you can earn whitelist spots, but you're gonna have to grind. So on Twitter, there are plenty NFT projects, alpha groups are collabing with each other and they're doing Twitter giveaways. For example, Illogic collab, and in this one right here, they have 3 allow list spots, and to enter, you just have to follow Illogic, and then this project right here, like, retweet, tag 3 friends, join Discord, and in 24 hours, they will announce the winner. So this is another way. If you have time, you're literally gonna have to go grind. You'll have to find those different NFT projects or groups, the ones that are doing giveaways. There are plenty of them on Twitter, but you have to have time. And then here's another one, for example, Rise. This is actually Alpha Group, but they're also doing on Twitter. That's how they're promoting their Alpha Group and getting followers on Twitter. Same thing, 3 whitelist spots for this project. To enter, follow this project, their collab Twitter, and then like, retweet, tag friends, and winner out tomorrow. So this is one of the cheaper way, or this is the free way to get whitelist spots, but the chance is getting very slim because if it's a hype project, there's going to be a lot of people entering into that giveaway trying to get that free whitelist spot. And then the last way, this is going to be actually part of this category because it's also free. For example, if you're going to join some of the Discords, here's one, for example, FU Friends Alpha, and I already made a video about this specific project. This is Alpha Group with the free mint, and at the time of recording this video, they haven't minted yet. So if you join their group, you can get all the alpha for free. And also they're doing whitelist giveaways. Once they're gonna mint their passes, most likely this is gonna be only available for pass holders, but at the time of recording this video, they haven't mint any passes yet, so you can join this group, and I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can go to whitelist giveaways and you can enter into those whitelist spots as well. Here's, for example, one. This Wagme Army gives us 5 whitelist spots, and to enter you have to join the Discord and tell them FU Friends sent you there. And then once you do that, then you'll have to react here and you'll be entered into this raffle, and most of the raffles are going for 24 hours. After 24 hours, winners will be announced here. And this is pretty much it. So the first way that I show you, if you're gonna purchase one of the Alpha Group passes, this is the most expensive, require you to have some liquidity, but this one is the least amount of work you have to do. If you're gonna be part of one of their groups, you're gonna be getting all the alpha information, all the free mints, early projects, early mints, and etc. And then second way, you have to spend least amount of money, but still you have to put some money in, and by staking you're gonna earn some tokens and you're gonna be able to purchase whitelist spots. And the last method that I showed you is basically by grinding. If you have time, then this is gonna be the cheapest way. It's actually a free way. Just go on a Twitter, find the projects that you would like to mint at the time of the bear market. Right now, probably the best one is the free mints. There are plenty of them, and I already made at least 3 or 4 free mint videos. And this is pretty much it. That's how you get yourself whitelist spot for NFT project. And before I let you go, everything that I stated in this video, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.